play or change, yeah. My emotions are balanced.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Upper Glams and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time of clicking on my video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube.
It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and now forever and always be here, present.
Guys, in this tutorial, it's just a simple style twist and cornrows. I got so many compliments and I'm so happy I had to record the video for you guys to see. And guys, my edges, oh my goodness, my edges are crying for me right now. It doesn't really look like it until maybe when I start doing the cornrows. You see what I'm talking about. Postpartum shedding has been showing me pepper. My hair I've been losing so much hair, and it doesn't look like I'm losing so much hair because you can still see how thick my hair feels. And but yeah, I posted a picture on Instagram showing my followers on Instagram my postpartum journey, and it's crazy. I've been losing so much hair, and then I'm stressed out, coupled with taking care of a newborn baby, working, shooting videos. Oh my goodness, it's so much. But yeah, postpartum shedding is the excessive shedding that is caused by falling estrogen levels. So basically, when you have your baby, some people start experiencing excessive shedding, I think a month or two after, and some people is even after like 4 or 5 months they start experiencing it. But I started experiencing mine, I think I took out my braids 2 months after I had my baby, and it was horrible. Like I was literally I was vexing in the bathroom while I was taking out my hair. I was just screaming like, what is this? I never had a problem with my 2 boys, but for my daughter, I feel like, man, it was so much hair. But I'm still grateful to God that, I mean, if you look at my hair, you can't really tell that I've been experiencing excessive shedding. I think I'm just going to insert a picture here so you guys can see from just one shampoo I did, and that's like every time I shampoo my hair. It's more, sometimes it's less, but it's been crazy. Okay, enough about me and my postpartum shedding stories. Maybe I'll make a separate video explaining to you guys and showing you guys, you know, what's been going on with my hair, my body, and every other thing. But right now, let's focus on the style.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head, from the past to future play or change, yeah. My emotions are battling.
With this twist style, as you can see, I'm not paying attention to my parts at the back because it's going to be covered up anyways, and it's more like a medium-sized twist with a tightrope twist. And just look at how yummy the twist is looking right now. So yes, my hair, I did blow dry my hair, but I used medium heat to slightly stretched out my hair, and I totally love it when I stretch out my hair and I do twist. Just look at that bounce, just look at that.
I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable, I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment.
So because my edges are thinning out, I shouldn't be doing any style that is going to put more stress on my edges. So don't worry, I didn't put the twist there, was really loose, it's not so tight. And after I took down the style, nothing happened to that part of the hair. So don't worry about my edges. Because I know somebody's going to say, "Oh, but she just said her edges are thinning out and we can see it. So why did she do this style still, Yeah, so nothing really happened after I took down the style. Like I said, if you see the twist I did, the first twist on the edges was really, really loose at the roots. So yeah.
I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully quit. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me. Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully quit. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully quit. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me. Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the the past to future play. More change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt.
Now that I'm done with the cornrows and the twists, you notice the twists on the cornrows are really bigger than the other side of the twist. So what I did was just to pin them down so you can see the design of the hair, and also to just like create another design on top of the cornrows, and I absolutely love it.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah.